Explore the delightful crunch of impeccably fried treats without the lasting guilt. Step into the world of air frying, where the magic of crispy, golden goodies meets the assurance of guilt-free satisfaction. Today, we're embarking on a quest to unveil the top 5 air fryers, revealing the very best that will transform your cooking adventures. Find the links to these culinary marvels in the description below and prepare to enhance your kitchen skills. Let's get started at number 5. Ninja DZ201 Air Fryer. What sets this air fryer apart is its 2 independent baskets. That's right, 2 separate cooking zones allow you to cook 2 different foods simultaneously. But wait, it gets better. With dual-zone technology, you've got the Smart Finish feature that ensures both foods are ready at the same time. No more juggling multiple timers. Want simplicity? The Match Cook button makes it a breeze to copy settings across zones. It's like having an extra pair of hands in the kitchen. With 6-in-1 functionality, this is not just an air fryer. It's an air fryer, air broiler, roaster, baker, reheater, and dehydrator, all in one. And check out the XL capacity. Whether it's family meals or a feast for friends, the 8-quart capacity lets you cook mains and sides together, or up to 4 lbs of crispy French fries or chicken wings. Each 4-quart zone comes with its own cooking basket, cyclonic fan, and rapid heater. Talk about efficient and effective cooking. Cleaning up is a breeze with the dishwasher-safe baskets and crisper plates. No more scrubbing for hours. And here's the kicker: up to 75% less fat than traditional frying methods. We tested it against hand-cut, deep-fried French fries, and the results are mouth-watering. Experience the magic of cooking with the Ninja DZ201 Air Fryer. Less fat, more flavor, and endless possibilities. Get yours today and become the master chef you've always wanted to be. Number 4. Breville Smart Oven Air Fryer. The ultimate countertop oven that does it all. It's not just an oven, it's a game changer. Equipped with the innovative Element IQ system, this smart oven uses 6 independent quartz elements and smart algorithms to create the perfect cooking environment. No more cold spots, just precise and even cooking every time. With a temperature range of 80 to 480 degrees Fahrenheit, this oven gives you the power to roast, air fry, and dehydrate with ease. The super convection technology is where the magic happens. It's like having your own culinary whirlwind. 2 speed convection fans create a greater volume of hot air, ensuring fast and even heat distribution. Get ready for your favorites with less guilt. Air fry French fries to crispy perfection and dehydrate a variety of foods with up to 4 trays at once. This oven isn't just for 1 or 2 things. It's a master at 13 cooking functions. Toast, bagel, broil, bake, roast, warm, pizza, proof, air fry, reheat, cookies, slow cook, and dehydrate. It's a culinary Swiss Army knife. And check this out, the extra large capacity. It's spacious enough for 9 slices of bread, a 14-pound turkey, or even a 5-quart Dutch oven for slow cooking. You can even fit your favorite 9x 13-inch pans and 12-cup muffin trays. This oven is not just smart, it's brilliant. The LCD display makes accessing the oven's smart functionality and cooking functions a breeze. It tells you when preheating is done and counts down the cooking time for perfect results. Experience the future of cooking with the Breville Smart Oven Air precision, versatility, and perfection in one countertop appliance. Elevate your culinary game today. Number 3. Instant Pot Vortex Plus Air Fryer. This isn't just your average kitchen appliance. It's a culinary powerhouse. With its 6-in-1 functionality, the Vortex Plus lets you air fry, roast, broil, bake, reheat, and even dehydrate. It's your all-in-one cooking solution. Ever wished you could watch your food cook without losing heat or moisture? The clear cook window and internal light let you easily monitor the cooking progress without opening the basket. No more peeking and disrupting the process. And get this, with the Even Crisp technology, you get a perfect golden finish and crispy, tender results every single time. It's like having your own personal culinary assistant ensuring perfection. Stay on top of your cooking with the progress bar. It lets you know exactly where you are in the cooking process. Plus, it gives you handy messages telling you when to add and turn your food for that impeccable cook. And here's something for all of us who love a quiet kitchen. The Vortex Plus is designed for quiet cooking, minimizing noise while you savor the aroma of your cooking masterpiece. Customize your cooking with the one-touch smart programs: wings, roasted veggies, garlicky potatoes, cookies, cinnamon buns, and so much more, all at the touch of a button. From frozen to golden in minutes. The Vortex Plus offers fast preheating and an extensive temperature range, from 95 to 400 F. Gourmet meals are now at your fingertips. Cooking made easier. The Vortex Plus ensures a hassle-free cleanup with its non-stick, dishwasher-safe air fry basket and tray. A kitchen must-have, perfect for quick and delicious meals, side dishes, appetizers, wings, and more. Say hello to your new culinary partner, the Instant Pot Vortex Plus Air Fryer, the ideal addition to any kitchen. Get ready to embark on a culinary adventure with the Instant Pot Vortex Plus. Let's create mouth-watering meals together. Don't miss out, grab yours today and unleash your inner chef. Experience the ultimate in cooking convenience with the Instant Pot Vortex Plus. Elevate your meals and simplify your kitchen experience. Get yours now. Number 2. Cosori Calf Pro Air Fryer. The future of healthy and efficient cooking with the Cosori Calf Pro Air Fryer. Say goodbye to greasy and time-consuming meals. Cut down your oil intake by a whopping 85%. Thanks to the 360 rapid heat circulation technology, experience the same delightful crispiness you love without the guilt. Enjoy your favorite meals in mere minutes. With temperatures reaching up to 450 F, this air fryer heats 20% faster than conventional methods, ensuring quick and delicious results. Navigate effortlessly through its 9 easy functions on the tempered glass display. Preheat, set personalized shake reminders, and make your cooking experience fun and convenient. Compact yet spacious, the 5-quart cooking capacity is perfect for meals serving 1-4 people. It's designed to fit seamlessly on your countertop without taking up much space. Cleaning up is a breeze. The non-stick basket, free from BPA and PFOA, is dishwasher safe, ensuring hassle-free maintenance. Get inspired with the Cosori R&D Chef's 30 original recipes and access an additional 100+ recipes on the free VSync app. You'll be cooking like a pro in no time. And for extra convenience, easily find our accessories using the codes displayed on the screen. Rest assured with the TL listing and specifications suited for the US and Canada. Plus, experience quiet operation at only 55 dB. All this innovation comes from our California roots. Cosori Calf Pro Air Fryer. Elevate your culinary experience. Make every meal healthier, faster, and absolutely delicious. Number 1. Ninja of 161 Max XL Air Fryer. Welcome to the world of Ninja, where we're transforming the way you cook with our revolutionary AF161 Max XL Air Fryer. Introducing the Ninja AF161 Max XL Air Fryer, the answer to healthier, guilt-free frying. With up to 75% less fat than traditional frying methods. We tested it against hand-cut, deep-fried fries, and the results were astounding. Experience that delicious, crispy taste you love with far less oil. With our Max Crisp technology, get hotter, crispier results up to 30% faster than our previous model. Enjoy guilt-free fried favorites in no time. Its XL capacity holds 3 pounds of your favorite foods. Whether it's French fries or crispy chicken wings, the Ninja AF161 Max XL has you covered. With 7 cooking programs in one, it's not just an air fryer, it's a multifunctional kitchen powerhouse. Max Crisp, air roast, air broil, bake, reheat, and even dehydrate. And when it comes to cleaning, we've got you covered. The ceramic basket is non-stick and dishwasher safe, making cleanup a breeze. Join the Ninja family today and experience the joy of healthier, crispy, and guilt-free cooking. Ninja AF161 Max XL, because food should taste great, not regretful.